Well, hi everybody. Good Monday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here. It's been a bit of a busy weekend out there for some of you with severe weather and some flash flooding out there, but things have gone more quiet out there this morning. Some of the hardest hit areas, first off, Custer County was probably the hardest hit area, not just Saturday, but also yesterday. A lot of severe weather. A lot of crop damage due to hail, wind damage out there to trees, even some buildings, and also the heavy rainfall we saw in some of those areas. You can see estimates of 5, 6, 7 inches of rain there along and north of Highway 2. And then also last night we had some heavier rains down towards portions of Gosper, Furnace, Frontier County. Other areas saw some decent rain out there, not as much rain the farther south and east that you go. But things have turned quieter this morning and should be fairly quiet this morning with just a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Otherwise, partly cloudy and a warm day today, a little on the humid side out there. Also dealing with a little fog up in northern and northeast Nebraska this morning. Later on today and to tonight, I should say, our chance of rain and thunderstorms gets a little better. This model is pretty lacking on chances of rain, but there are other models that keep some showers and thunderstorms around overnight tonight. So I put it at a 40% chance for the Tri-Cities. Again, this model kind of doesn't do it justice, but there is that chance out there. Now, as we get into the daytime hours tomorrow, we're talking a 20 to 30% chance of showers and storms, otherwise partly cloudy, another warm day out there. But towards the end of the day, and especially as we get towards tomorrow evening, that's when I'm expecting more showers and thunderstorms to become more widespread into the area, and we'll have to watch that severe weather threat as well. Look how that becomes more widespread heading into Tuesday night and continuing even into Wednesday very early in the morning hours. Starts to wind down during the day on Wednesday, but there is going to be a severe weather threat. The Storm Prediction Center has most of us under at least a marginal threat of severe thunderstorms with a slight chance from about Ord and Kearney westward. Doesn't look like a big tornado threat, although it can't rule something out. Isolated tornado is possible, especially with something, again, that's more of an isolated supercell type storm. But otherwise, it looks like mostly a wind and maybe a hail threat out there as well. Let's look at your forecast highs for today. We're looking at highs low to mid 80s up north, patchy fog this morning, then a slight chance of a thunderstorm this afternoon. Mostly sunny, a slight chance of an afternoon thunderstorm, upper 80s and lower 90s. In the south, mid to upper 80s, lower 90s, partly cloudy, a small chance of a thunderstorm this afternoon, and to the east, temperatures in the 80s, mostly mid to upper 80s, lower 80s around Columbus, partly cloudy, a slight chance of a thunderstorm this afternoon, not a very good chance. Next 7 days, lots of low and mid 80s. Those temperatures are near, if not slightly below normal for this time of the year. Again, slight chance during the day today, a little better chance tonight. Back down to about a 30% chance on Tuesday, but then Tuesday night is 60% chance of rain and thunderstorms. By the time we get towards the daytime hours on Wednesday, we're back down to a 20% chance of rain, and even then, that chance goes down even through the afternoon, and I think we're dry by the evening for sure. Thursday looks dry. Back to a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms overnight Thursday night into early on Friday morning. There's just a slight chance on Friday afternoon. The weekend looks dry Saturday and Sunday with a chance of rain then returning Sunday night. And of course, a big question mark to this forecast is what's just beyond the 7-day forecast. Next Monday, of course, that is the day of the solar eclipse, the total solar eclipse here, which of course is prime right here in Nebraska. Right now, I would say it is more favorable than not that we would see at least dry conditions. Most models are not showing precipitation next Monday. Could there still be clouds around? That's kind of the big question mark. That's a little tougher to predict 7 to 8 days out. And it looks warm at this time, but of course solar eclipses can affect temperatures out there, so I can't say exactly how warm it's going to be. So right now I'd say more favorable than not, but still a little up in the air when it comes to that part of the forecast. Stay tuned the next couple of days as we get a better idea of how things will play out as we get towards next Monday. So there's your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. Hope you all have a great Monday, and God bless.